Welcome, today I'm with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this smartphone comes with wired headphones in the box. Okay, so here we have charger, right here we got the cable, and we can also take a look right here. Okay, unfortunately there's no headphones, but it looks like they can be here, but there is no wired headphones, unfortunately. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.